You sit down at a restaurant, glance at the menu, and order your usual favorites without a second thought. It feels harmless, routine, even comforting. But what if some of the most commonly ordered dishes are quietly working against your health? Not every meal outside is dangerous, of course. But certain types of restaurant foods carry higher risks, not because restaurants are careless, but because of how these foods are prepared, stored, or handled behind the scenes. Once you know what to look out for, you'll never order blindly again. 1. Ice and drinks. Ice machines are often overlooked during cleaning. Based on reports and food safety inspections frequently highlighted in news and health reports, ice machines are found to be among the less hygienic equipment in food service environments if not properly maintained. They can harbor bacteria, mold, and biofilm when cleaning is inconsistent. Since ice is handled frequently and not cooked or reheated, any contamination is not eliminated before it reaches your drink. This means bacteria present in the ice machine or transferred during handling can go directly into your beverage, increasing the risk of ingesting harmful microorganisms without you realizing it. 2. Raw or undercooked meats. Dishes like rare burgers, undercooked chicken, or raw shellfish may look appealing, but they can harbor harmful bacteria such as salmonella or vibrio if not handled properly. While high-end restaurants often follow strict safety standards, not every kitchen operates with the same level of control. A slight mistake in temperature or storage can turn a trendy dish into a health risk. 3. Buffet or food sitting too long. Cooked food must be kept either hot, above 60°, or cold, below 60°. Anything in between is called the danger zone. When food sits in this temperature range for hours, bacteria multiply rapidly. Even worse, some bacteria produce toxins that cannot be destroyed by reheating. 4. Pre-cut fruits. Whole fruits are naturally protected by their skin. Once cut, that protection is gone. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Not every restaurant uses separate knives and cutting boards for raw meat and fruits. If the same equipment is used without proper cleaning, bacteria from raw meat can transfer directly onto ready-to-eat fruits. What makes it more dangerous is that fruits are often perceived as clean and healthy, so people lower their guard. But once cross-contaminated, they can become a silent carrier of harmful bacteria, turning a healthy choice into an unexpected health risk. The key point is this: most of these foods are not inherently dangerous. The risk comes from how they are handled, stored, and prepared, especially in fast-paced restaurant environments where small mistakes can happen. You don't need to avoid eating out, but you do need to be more selective. Choosing freshly cooked, properly heated meals and paying attention to hygiene standards can make a meaningful difference, because when it comes to food safety, what you can't see often matters just as much as what's on your plate.